girl. The beat live, you know, Lil Juke. Hey, it's my problem, nobody solving. You can keep hating, I'm popping regardless. You wanna feel it like Megan Thee Stallion, don't want your nigga, cause I want his daddy. I like to switch up my style every week. I gotta switch up my hair every day. I ain't no hope, but I do be on going. I promise my next go.
Hey princesses, and welcome back to my channel. I am doing a room haul finally. I've been living here for a month now, not even going on 2 months, but it's been a month since I lived here. It is going on 2 months. But anyway, I have lived here for almost 2 months and you guys have yet to see my room. I started recording when I first started putting everything up, but I didn't have everything that I needed for my room, so I had to keep going back and forth to the store, back and forth, you know, trying to find everything that I need. And finally, I'm content with my room, somewhat content. I mean, it can have more, but this is just for now, you know. I'll probably redecorate a little bit later on in the semester, probably like when we go on break, because then I'll have time to like really decorate how I want to decorate. But it's not too much that I need left. But anyway, I'm going to be giving you guys a room tour. So I'm going to be showing you guys my room. I am so excited because I know you guys have been waiting on this because I keep talking about it. So without further ado, let's get into it. As you can see by the back, today is moving day for college. I have a lot of stuff and I have more stuff that I need to get, but this is just like the basis of it. So I'm in the car now and we're about to go to my apartment so we can move in and get everything settled. So keep on watching to see that. We just pulled up to my apartment complex. They're back there and I got my keys and everything. So now we're about to go in and we're about to clean everything, and I'll kind of take you guys along that as we're cleaning, but we're about to go in, so let's go. Okay, so this is my room. We just cleaned up. I didn't put anything in yet. This is my bathroom. This is my shower. And this is my closet. I didn't put anything in yet because like I said, we was cleaning. But this is how my room looks. It's pretty big. I'm telling you, once I'm done decorating it, it's going to be a whole transformation.
There's not a lot of what God got.
Okay, so now we are entering my room, and once you come in, of course, you see my bed. This is my rug. For my decorations, I really wanted to go with, you know, pink, white, and silver, you know, some gray, because gray is kind of like silver to me. So this is what my bed looks like. It's pretty simple. My bed is completely done, but as for my walls around my bed, I do want to add more. So I want to put some more, probably some flowers around that picture. And then on this wall right here, I do want to put some pictures of like me, my friends, my family on this wall, like a photo wall basically. Okay, and then next you go over here to this side. Please disregard my little decoration. They're coming down because command strips don't hold. So yeah, and I walk through it like every single day, so of course it's not going to hold. So this is my setup over here where I record my videos. As you can see, I am recording a nail video after this video, so that's why my light is up and my setup is going. This is a picture that I got from Burlington. I really like it because like it kind of describes me, so I love it. And then over here we have my mirror. I wanted a bigger mirror, but I'm content with this one. And this is just a night light. You know, when I get up at night and I have to go to the bathroom, it automatically cuts on. So This is good so I can see. And then I have a little decoration over here. At the door, I have my bags right here, my purses and everything. And then I have my robe for easy access for when I just need to get up and go downstairs. So that's why I hang it right there. And then over here in the corner, I have my TV on the wall. And then I have my mini fridge. And I have this little end table where I keep like my glasses. I put some decoration on here, so it's a K for my name back there. And then my lamp. And then I have some candles that I move around my room, you know, when I want to feel, I don't know, feel relaxed or anything like that. And then I just have like some snacks, some drinks, and some bottles over there on top of my mini fridge and stuff like that. And then sometimes I keep my purse for grab and go access over there, and then I keep my remotes over there. And then right here is just a baby picture of me. Like I said, I don't really have all my pictures, so yeah. And then this is what my curtains look like. They have little star cutouts in them, so in the middle of the night, I can't really explain it, but the light pokes through them, which is really cool. Sometimes I see it, sometimes I don't, because I do have lights around my room, and I'm going to cut them on for you guys. See, I have light, well, not right there because I don't have enough, but I do have lights around my room, and it does light my room up. So this is just my room as a whole. Not too much, not too little, just enough for me, because I'm only here for a year, so I didn't want to do too much. Okay, so then we go into my bathroom and we walk through these little, I don't know what you want to call them, these little strings, but this is what my bathroom looks like. That's my tissue holder. My tissue is out there from when I do my nails. But this is how I decided to decorate my bathroom. I thought it would be really cute with the lights and stuff. You know, this is my mirror. It looks kind of dirty because I need to clean it again, but that's neither here nor there. And then this is how I just set up my counter. I just did a makeup video. You guys go check that out. And these are the brushes that I use. And I just washed them, and I'm just waiting for them to dry a little bit. And then here's the rest of my decorations that I put on my wall. This is kind of cute and simple, you know. I didn't want to do too much, but I also didn't want to do too little. And then I have my shower curtain. I know my room has, you know, a good amount of stuff in here, but I know I can have more decorations. So please comment, you know, some decorations you think I should get, where I should get them from. Please let me know, because I am looking for some nice, you know, pictures, picture frames, stuff like that, so I can hang more pictures and decorations on my wall, because my walls are very bare. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys really like it. Please like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Make sure you subscribe, because I'm watching you, because a lot of people watch my videos and don't subscribe to my channel. So get in there and subscribe to my channel. Comment how you feel. I want to know. And hit that notification bell, because I have videos coming left and right. I'm recording 3 videos today. 3, which means that 3 videos are coming out very soon, which means you need to be on it. So that post notification bell needs to be clicked and on, so you know when I post. Thank you for watching my videos. See you guys next time.